Chandraja here again for our weekly assembly. It's been really busy this week. We have had sports day and unfortunately we haven't all been able to get out, but I have heard lots of great things about it. In today's assembly we have got lots of reminders. We're going to be talking reminders about plastic waste, and of course we're going to be sharing our stars of the week as well as some pictures from sports day. But first we are going over to Da Vinci class for their class assembly.
Welcome to Da Vinci Sharing Assembly.
We want to talk to you about volcanoes.
We have been learning about the layers of the earth. The first layer of the earth is the crust. The second layer of the earth is the mantle. The third layer of the earth is the outer core. The fourth layer of the earth is the inner core.
Did you know?
Did you know beneath the crust sits the mantle, which is a much thicker layer of the earth?
Do you know the hottest layer is the integral, which is 5,400 degrees?
Did you know the outer core is liquid, but the inner core is solid?
The place where the tectonic plates meet is called the transformer plate found.
When the tectonic plates rub together, it makes friction when the ground moves over to the crust. The plates move very slowly, but when the plates move suddenly, they often cause an earthquake.
Did you know that the tectonic plates actually float on top of the mantle? But sometimes they fork over each other, and one plate goes above the other plate, which causes mountains to form or an earthquake.
In science, they've been making our own volcanic eruption with baking soda, water, food coloring, vinegar, and fairy liquid.
Come, let's show you how to make an eruption for your eyes.
Alright, so first we're doing the glue. Put it on top of here. Now we're going to use some foil.
Then we rip the top.
It's like not to make it much more like an active volcano.
Active volcanoes and dormant volcanoes are the same though.
Oh wait, first it's fairy liquid, then it's the then it's just 2 spoons of water, then it's the it's fairy liquid.
It looks like jelly.
It really does look like a jelly. So we're gonna pour all of it in. And then
Tea.
so 2 spoons of water. Now next is going to be the baking soda. Okay.
Is the vinegar lost?
It's 3.
It's a drop of.
Only 1 drop.
I hate so much.
Oh my god, so
Don't worry.
it looks like blood soda. So 1 drop, so it's probably like 1 drop.
That's not a drop.
That looks like blood. Now it's said to mix it up. Wait, where's the vinegar?
I have it.
Vinegar. Oh, this is not going well. It's not how we expected. Again, we're gonna add a bit more because we have to explode. Got a special ingredient to make it explode. Do that.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Lift off! Oh my god.
It's rising just like a strawberry milkshake.
The volcano erupts. It's a chemical reaction between the vinegar and baking soda. It erupts. It reacts when the vinegar mixes with baking soda and causes an eruption. Dinosaurs die today.
The tectonic plates move opposite sides, which causes the magma to spew out of the volcano.
That's how the volcano erupts. I don't know why. I don't know.
No.
There are 3 different types of volcanoes.
The first type volcanoes active. Active volcanoes are volcanoes that has erupted within the last 10,000 years.
Dormant volcano hasn't erupted the last 10,000 years and has a good chance to erupt.
The first is extinct. A volcano is a volcano that has now erupted in the last 10,000 years and has no chance of eruption.
Mount Vesuvius is located in Italy. Its highest point is 1,281 meters high.
It last erupted in 1944.
More than 3 million people.
I didn't finish! Its most famous eruption happened in 79 AD.
More than 3 million people live in the immediate area of Mount Vesuvius.
Mount Vesuvius continuously erupted for more than 24 hours, completely burying the nearby city of Pompeii. Did you know it has erupted over 15 times in the last 2 years?
Did you know earthquakes happen every 30 seconds in the world?
It's interesting because there are lots of volcanoes surrounded by fire, so there are a lot of eruptions and earthquakes there. So that means there's a lot of different habitats. So this is really good for declining species, such as the nightingale and many more.
Normally, earthquakes happen when tectonic plates rub against each other.
Did you know that your tectonic plates move as fast as your fingernails grow?
In English, we have been writing reports about volcanoes. This is my favorite part. Eruption. A volcanic eruption occurs when magma is released from a volcano. Before volcanic eruption, the ground will often start to tremble and shake. During a volcanic eruption, magma will be forced out of the crater and ash and pumice will rain down from the sky. Lava is very, very hot. It can reach temperatures to 1,250 degrees. After a volcanic eruption, the lava cools down and can form rocks and even islands. This is a diagram I drew of a volcano. Thank you for listening.
Thanks, Da Vinci class. That was brilliant. Let's get to some of our Stars of the Wards. We're going to start with Key Stage 2 today. Right, in Year 3, we have got Kevin in Da Vinci, Hermione in Galileo, and Fatima in Edison. In Year 4, we have got Robert in Berners-Lee, Aisha in Hawking, and we've got Hajar in Brunel. Well done to those children. In Year 5, we have got Muaz in Gandhi class, Arnika in Rosa Parks, and we have Lukman in Mandela class, Fatima in Malala class, and finally, Oscar in Pankhurst class. Well done to those children. Right, great, well done guys. So we're going to now be hearing from Mr. Fisher's class about recycling and making sure that we are limiting our use of plastic. Over to you.
Plastic! Hey, I want to throw plastic away all the time.
No, that's bad. We don't like single-use plastic.
It is bad for the planet. Well, what should I do then?
Recycle.
We love the planet. We love the planet. We love the planet. We love the
Now, our Stars of the Weeks in Key Stage 1 and early years. We have got Isra in Jamison class, Serena in MacArthur class, Lissandro in Seacole class. In Year 1, we've got Liana, Pietra in Attenborough class, and we've got Paula in Marco Polo class. In Year 2, we have got Aisha in Einstein class, Akira in Marie Curie class, and finally, we have Bassem in Pasteur class. well done to all of those children as well. Wonderful stuff. That's it for this week. I hope that you will have a great weekend and we look forward to seeing you on Monday. Bye.